Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by adding the Google account. This is the immediate action. Open Settings on your iPhone, tap Contacts, then Accounts. Tap Add Account and choose Google. Sign in with your email and password. Make sure Contacts Sync is enabled before you leave the screen so the phone knows to fetch entries. Once done, let the phone stay on Wi-Fi for a few minutes to download contact data. If you have two-factor enabled, approve the sign-in on your trusted device or enter the code when prompted. Once the account is added, verify the sync by opening the Contacts app and searching for a recent Google contact. This confirms data transfer. Make sure the Contacts toggle under the Google account is switched on in Settings. If you want new contacts saved to Google by default, go to Settings, right arrow Contacts, right arrow Default Account, and pick your Google account. This prevents future fragmentation. Allow a few minutes for large address books. If you have thousands of contacts, syncing may take longer as iCloud. To finalize, confirm all groups are visible in Contacts by tapping Groups and enabling your Google list. Scroll through to ensure completeness. If contacts are missing, force close contacts and toggle the Google contacts switch off then on to restart syncing. Should syncing still fail, export a vCard from Google Contacts on desktop and import it into iCloud or directly to the iPhone via iTunes/Finder. This is a reliable fallback. One key troubleshooting tip: if duplicates or conflicts appear, temporarily disable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.